Every night before you go to sleep, you ask yourself, today, my actions, did I go closer to Jannah or did I purchase Jahannam this day? Did I do things that pleased Allah or did I just try and please the people on this day? And if we are able to do this every single night, in the morning when you wake up, you would feel motivated to go and do khair. Because brothers and sisters, we need to remember our destination. The final ayah that was revealed in the Quran, Allah could have used this final verse to glorify Himself, to mention the day of judgment, to mention something that of Jannah or Jahannam, to mention a story of a prophet. But Allah said, وَاتَّقُوا يَوْمًا تُرْجَعُونَ فِيهِ إِلَى اللَّهِ, and fear the day that you're going to return to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.